And I respectively thank my parents, those who taught me walking and made me educated. And I am grateful for my all audience to be present here. Now let me introduce myself. I am Professor from Motivational. Today I have got very golden opportunity to speak on the topic of your superhero. I am going to start with a question. How many of you want to be real superhero? Raise your hand. Wow! I am sure most of us want to be. Now imagine you set your alarm at 5:45 am and you shouldn't sleep. But your eyes open up to the constant building of notifications on your mobile phone and to add more poison in your brain. That is the stress hormone. And the clock says it ends. Hello, your interview is at 9:30 am. And this interview is the most important interview of your life. And for this interview, you have been preparing for years. It's like that UGC or civil services system. Adding more salt on one area, it normally takes 2 hours to reach the destination. What would you do? Think about it. I will come back later. Now, here are the habits. What are these habits? The habits are the things that we do on a daily basis. But there is another concept of habit too, which comprises of 3 things: trigger, process, and reward. So let's say there's a guy who is an office going person, but he has a crazy habit. What is this habit? His habit of watching shows like which come on television. So he sits in his course and he starts watching one show. Then he goes to show another show, and which is on some other platform, Netflix or Amazon, and the series of episodes, movies, and it's still 5 in the morning. He doesn't go to his office. But on the top of that, he has audacity to complain that what I am working so hard, but this guy is not promoting me. I mean that the boss is not promoting him. I mean that look at the attitude. Now I will be asking you a very silly question. How many of you have refrigerators in your home? Please raise your hand. We all have. Now imagine that you know probably Sherlock Holmes and James Bond, that kind of character. And it's the middle of night and you start walking slowly towards the kitchen. And there is a fridge. And you want to make sure that nobody sees you. And you open the fridge door to your amusement. And you find there's a very big cake. This big cake you want cake. There's inside cake and you are like that I want to have this cake right now. And you don't know the cake was kept inside. Actually you started having the cake. So the trigger is over here in the fridge and the process is the process of eating the cake. Right? And the reward is that I am feeling good. So you never know that anything in life could be triggered. And it could actually become the part of your lifestyle. That's why awareness is very important. You see, if you are a student of mathematics, you must be aware that in order to remember the tables, you have to repeat them on a daily basis. Right? So I want to say to my all dear friends, if you want to be mature in your life, remember 3 powerful incantations. Freaking awesome, love yourself, and be grateful for everything. And it is said so in the second way, you cannot change your future, but you can change your habit. Surely your habit will change your future. Then the question is how do we train our brain? It is not just a habit, it is not just these incantations, it is the state of your mind. That is important. You know how you spend the first hour of your life. You know how you spend the first hour of your morning and how you feel about your morning. It's actually going to determine how the rest of your day is going to be. And how you spend each and every single day of your life is going to determine how your entire life is going to look like that. And I want to say to my all dear friends, live your purpose. with a strong foundation. If someone makes you want to feel tired, just leave peace of mind. And make your that vulnerability your strength. Now let me tell you a hard fact. That is positive thinking does not work all time. Does not work. Taking the right action with the right mindset. And understanding why are you doing and what are you doing. Guys, it's your journey. You have to discover yourself and know your purpose. Your purpose could be fulfillment, happiness. And if you are feeling low, talk to somebody. Don't hold these fears in your mind. That will stop you from your growth. And nobody else does it for you. Be your own superhero, have a lot of compassion, and strike your inner weakness with full strength. Keep fight, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.